So hello friends, welcome to my channel the Powershell Playground. In today's video, I'll share a small script with you. So basically we will restart all local network adapter with PowerShell available on the Windows computer. So let's get started. First of all, we have to use get net adapter. Then we have to filter the data where the status is up, like we are getting the up adapters only. Then we have to use for each object. Then we will disable net adapter and we have to define the name is like name and we have to confirm is false. Then we will wait for 2 seconds. For that I'm using start sleep and I'm defining the settings. You can define the settings minutes as well. So I'm defining for 2 seconds and then we will enable the net adapters again. Name is comes from name. Now this time we have to confirm is false. So this is the command. This will first get the adapters, the up adapters which are enabled in the Windows. Then this command will disable all the adapters and wait for 2 seconds and then enable all the adapters from the Windows.